Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Sky is your limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon and do all to get instant notification of our video. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So on the last lecture we have seen basic syntax of HTML. In this second lecture we will see some basic tags like paragraph tag or text style tags and heading tags. In the text style tags we will see underline tag, italic tag and bold tag. Okay, and in the heading tag we will see h1 tag, h2 tag, h3 tag, h4, h5 and h6. These heading tags have some predefined attributes of text. So we will see in the detail in this video. So let's go to our text editor and let's start, and let's save it first. Lesson 2. Don't forget to put this extension. Okay, so let's type HTML and let's give the name lesson 2. Okay, first I will write hello, simple hello. Okay, so let's save it and let's go to our browser. Okay, let's open in browser. So you can see here is hello. Again I will write in paragraph tag. Okay, so let's see what is the difference in simple text and in the paragraph tag. So let's go to browser and refresh it. So you can see there is no difference between simple text and paragraph tag. Okay, so let's take examples of heading tags. So first I will take h1 tag, heading 1 tag. Okay, so I will write heading 1 and let's save and let's go to our browser. Let's refresh. So here you can see the attributes, the predefined attributes of heading tags. Okay, so you can use this tag on your web page, whatever you write. Okay, let's see h2 tags. So heading 2, h3, heading 3, h4, heading 4, h5, heading 5 and h6. There are 6 heading tags in HTML. Okay, so let's save this and let's see what is the difference of these tags. Okay, these tags attributes. So let's refresh it. So here you can see the attributes of heading tags. You can use these tags in your web page. So I hope you have learned these heading tags. So after this let's take a look of a underline tag. So let's tag u. Okay, so let's type hello computer. Let's save it and let's see what is the difference. So here you can see there is an underline in this text. Okay, let's see italic tag. Okay, let's save it and let's go to our browser and let's refresh it. So here you can see there is a italic tags in our web page because we have used italic tag. Okay, let's see bold tag. So let's type hello bold. Okay, So let's save it and let's go to our browser and refresh it. Here you can see our text is bold. You can use this text alternatively, or you can also use tags in multiple way, like paragraph tag. Okay, so and let's type underline tag, and let's take italic tag, and let's type hello Pratham. Let's save and let's see what is happening. So here you can see there is a underline in this text and also a italic. So you can understand what is the use of this text. So let's take one other example. Underline tag, italic tag, and bold tag. Okay, so we have used all these three tags in one. Okay, so hello world. So let's save it, let's go to our browser and let's refresh it. So here you can see there is a bold, italic, and underline tag used in this text tag. Okay. So let's write here br tag. Okay, can use these all tags in your HTML code. Okay, so here you can see the use of br tag. Okay, let's take this. Okay, here I will write I for italic tag. Okay, so first I need to delete this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so let's see what is happening in this. So let's refresh it. Here you can see in heading 3 it become a italic text. Okay, so you can understand what is use of these all tags, and you can practice on your own. So it is enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed this session. We will meet in the next lecture. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.